In this video, I'll show you how to send money from Western Union to Nepal. First of all, you need to open the Western Union app on your mobile phone. Then you need to click the menu in the top right corner and go to the send money. Right here, we need to select the receiver's country. So let's click this and we need to find Nepal in the country list. You can also use the search in the top. So right here is Nepal. Then you need to enter the amount of money you want to send, for example, 100 USD. And now you need to choose how will your receiver get the money. For example, I will choose cash pickup. Then I need to choose the payment method. For example, I will choose debit card. And let's click continue. Then click accept. And then you need to enter the receiver's information, first name, last name. You can also enter the email address, it's optional. And you need to enter the mobile phone number, it's also optional. Then you need to click add and finalize the transaction. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.